Welcome to using Fold3 to find Revolutionary War records. My name is Lisa Reinerth, and I work with the Medina County District Library in the Family History and Learning Center. This will be a quick overview on how to access our database of Fold3, search the database, filter it, view it, and save the records. Your first step is to go to our website, mcdl.info. Once you get to our home page, you'll see at the top of the toolbar, Genealogy and Local History. You'll click there, which will give you this drop-down menu. Once you click on Online Resources, it gives you an alphabetical listing of our research databases. You'll scroll down this list until you find Fold3. You will click on Use this resource. If you are doing this remotely away from the library, all you need to do once you click this resource is to use your MCDL library card number to access it. If you're in the library, it'll take you right to the home page of Fold3. Do not try to log in again. You are already logged in through the Medina County District Library. When you go to search for your veteran, you can either put his name here in the search box, or so you don't get so many hits and you don't get overwhelmed with what you're viewing, you can click on the Revolutionary War. This will only bring you up records that have anything to do with that war. If you want to learn more about it, I always like to do the continue reading. It gives you a little bit of an overview of what you're looking at, what kind of records you're looking at, because it's going to give you an outline of the war. It's also going to give you some links that you can go to find out more information. When you're ready to search for your veteran, you're going to type his name in this search box. Today I'm going to be using Benjamin Cotton. It gives you then a listing of all the different hits that it has gotten. It's giving you information only that had Benjamin Cotton in this record. Now, this may not always be the Benjamin Cotton that I'm looking for, but I do want to look at these records. Over here to the left will be a way you can filter it, especially under publication use. It does let you filter. It tells you how many hits, and it helps you click on this and it'll reduce how many hits you have, so you can look at these records a little bit at a time. In order to view these records, let me enlarge this just a little bit. You can see that in this record, it tells you the name of the veteran, what type of record this is, and how many pages there are available within this image. It is a multi-image file. So in order to view it, you'll either click on his name or on the image, and it takes you to the viewer. So this just gives you the thumbnails, but you can always open those up too. This is the Revolutionary War service records. Within this is a transcribed muster roll of these veterans. The War Department did this in order to help it make it easier when they were doing these pension records. On the left, you're going to see the soldiers' information. You're also going to see the records information. This is the information you're going to use for when you are citing your source. In order to view an enlarged image of these, you will just click on the image and it opens it up as a singular image. You can enlarge it, you can reduce it, you can put it into a singular page, or you can even rotate it, and then you'll be able to view it a little closely. Let me show you some of the information that you can get from these muster rolls. On this card here, it's giving you his payroll information, how much he received for a month in the war as a veteran. It's giving you his attendance. So at this time period, in June of 1778, he was at Camp North Castle. It also shows you the rank of your soldier. In here, he was a corporal at the end of December of 1777. And by the time June 1778 came around, he was a sergeant. You'll also find some additional information on these cards. Within this one, it shows you that he was sick at Valley Forge. so you know that he was at Valley Forge. This record actually gives you a quick transcription of a letter they received from the individual that enlisted him into the Army in the first place, where he was enlisted, the month he was enlisted, and that he supplied him with a gun and a blanket. Within the images that you find on the research results, sometimes you can find the original muster rolls and petitions. Within this one, you can actually see where he was listed, what town he belonged to. He enlisted for 3 years, and he was in Captain Morrell's company. The pension records for the Revolutionary War are going to give you more information if you're looking for that type of information after he served in the war. These were the pension records that they filed for, and they were filed for quite a few years after they served. So it is filled with quite a bit of information on his life afterwards. In this instance, this was a letter that was written by the court in his request about requiring this pension record, and you can see at the bottom it was signed by Benjamin Cotton. You might also find a letter, for example, from his children. This was written by his son, George W. Cotton, in 1852. They were requesting a review because they felt that not all the pension was paid out. And it gives his name and then all of his siblings' names that were surviving at the time. And it tells you that they were the children of Benjamin and Dolly Cotton, who were living in Milton, Wayne County, Ohio. So now you also have Benjamin's wife's name and some of his children. That's the kind of information you're going to find in the pension record. You're also going to want to continue to go down the list, check each individual record. Now, real quick, I wanted to let you know, if it says child record, this is not a record for the pension receiver's children. This is just that it's a child record of a parent record. So it's a page from the pension records. It's a card from the muster roll cards. It is not for the children. It is a child of a parent record. So when you find what you're looking for and you want to be able to save it, you can go to, you'll be in the viewfinder where you've enlarged just the one image. You'll go to Actions, Download, and on the left you're going to get 2 images. You can download the entire page, or you can select a portion of it. If you select a portion of it, it will give you a chance to highlight the area you want. You're going to click on the image that you've chosen, and then it's going to tell you the type of format you can download it. In this case, they only give you the JPEG format, but you'll click on JPEG, and that'll download that image to your computer. If you would like to print out the item, you're going to go to Action, Print, and over here, again, it's going to give you the choice, entire page or selection. You'll click on what you want, and it'll bring you up to a screen that's similar to this. And then you'll hit Print, and you'll be able to print that document. I gave you a very quick overview on how to research your veteran on Fold3. If you need more information or refresher, they do have tutorials. You'll see a little box in the right-hand corner that you can click on. It won't make you sit there for a half an hour to watch another webinar. It will give you anywhere from a 30-second to a minute kind of a review, which is also really helpful. If you need more help, please call us and set up a one-on-one appointment with us, with one of our genealogists here at the Medina Library. If you have any further questions or need some help, please feel free to give us a call at the number or email below. Thank you.